Happy Friday, everyone. Today is Friday night. However, I just wanted to let you know that today my USANA Auto order product has just arrived. And of course, I am going to unbox it right now. I will be sharing with you how much did I save and what are the products that are inside this box. Let's check this one out. Is the September auto order. Let's see. This is the receipt. So how much did I earn for this month? Let's see. Alright, so congratulations, you saved 25.97 US dollars with your auto order. And my next upcoming release date is October 16, 2022. Be reminded that you can change the date and you can also edit the product. You can cancel anytime. And should you have any questions about your order, the telephone number, customer service at usana.com if you are in the US market. So let's see what's inside the box. Alright, so in this month I have my Nutri meal. I really don't feel like eating a whole lot for lunchtime because that is also my planning time and unwinding. I like to read books during that time. It has chocolate and vanilla. And every time I have this one, I feel energized. The vanilla, the French vanilla nutritious meal replacement shake, and another one with this variety pack is Dutch chocolate in here. So this is the nutrition facts here. It's really good. A single serve. And of course, this is my Vita antioxidant with intelligence technology. It has a lot of like vitamin. It really helps me energize. And so since I'm into B complex, I have now put this in my monthly auto order because I can save for this. The thing that I like with this one, this is really good for our skin too because it has coenzyme, it has lutein, good for the eye. So this is my antioxidant vitamin. I take this one together with this one. This is the core minerals, and my core minerals, really this is the supplement facts of this one. Here it has vitamin C, it has magnesium. Zinc is really good in our body. This is helpful for our immunity. We have magnesium. So proud to share with you the supplement facts. That one, I'm not hiding anything what's inside there. I love this product. It works for me. We call it Cell Essentials together, the core minerals and Vita Oxidant. If you are interested, you can actually save if you are buying this together. And if you are including this one in your auto order for the month, you can have additional savings too. One thing that I am so happy is the Calm Response is my on-the-go anxiety management, especially for my son. If your child has some kind of childhood anxiety or some kind of behavioral issue, one really helps me a lot. It also calms me down if I have certain anxiety when traveling too. Notice there's a lot of extra that is in here. So if you want to have this, I would recommend to buy more because usually they have back order, and this one just had a back order. I actually have a lot of this, so now that it is back in the market, I bought an extra because I have a lot of like this one here already. I always buy more. Of course, my Biomega Junior. If you watch my unboxing for August, I also have my Biomega Junior. This is my monthly need because both my son and my daughter using Biomega Junior. FYI, Biomega is actually a fish oil. Your child has a certain kind of developmental delay, consider check this one out with your pediatrician. And this is really good with cognitive, especially for those people or children that has auditory processing weakness. You might want to consider supplementing using this one for a year, and boy, he has been doing really good. His teacher's been telling me that he's been so amazing. You can also send me a message if you are interested. And right is for managing my stress and my cholesterol been very important for me. And as I age, I'm trying to level up high quality products. And also is of course my Coppa Prime Plus with intelligence technology. This is for brain health support. This actually helps me focus. It helps me memorize things. Problem with focusing and memory recall, and you are stressed, you have a little bit of anxiety of everything, consider having this one. This is from a Bacopa monera extract, which is really good. It has intelligence cognitive support complex, and as I've said before, that when I say intelligence complex, to help you with your cells that they will be communicating to each other. That is Coppa Prime from USANA. This one, I'm so happy that I have found this one, and every month I always have this. And I am surprised because they gave me a Nutrimel Active birthday cake. So these are the products in my September auto order. If you are interested in this product, kindly send me a message to my Gardens of Blessings contents in my Facebook. I have a YouTube channel too, and also you can also check my Instagram account under Leonie's Daily Blessings for inquiries. I would really love to share with you these products, the benefits, and how can this product help your individual needs. So thank you again, and see you next time.